What you just heard is the sound of an A320 passing over at about 6,000 feet. These sounds are very, very unique in terms of frequency and pitch, and normally most airliners wouldn't create sounds that sound as high pitched or whistle sounding like those aircrafts, but these sounds are mainly heard from the A320 family. And I'll explain to you in a moment how these sounds are caused, but we'll take one more brief example of this sound in another instance with the A319. The sound is caused by the rushing of air under the wings, where the fuel overpressure protector cavities are located, which are the two holes in the wings. I wouldn't really refer to them as holes, but mainly just to simplify it into a more simple manner. But yeah. The sound is very, very similar to blowing a whistle, like, or as if you're trying to blow into a bottle. Like that. You could try it at home, but I wouldn't recommend it because obviously that's a bit stupid, but you could try it for fun. But anyways, back to the point. Most airliners now, because this sound has been a constant threat to other neighbouring houses and other people who live around areas where aircraft mainly fly over, they've now been kind of basically trying to get rid of the sound, and most airliners have been taking into account this sound, so they've been using these little kind of sound stoppers to put against the holes to minimize the sound from reaching other people. But most airliners that currently have them are Brussels Airlines, and another one I kind of forgot, but I have to mention in the comment section below. But yeah, here's another example of another sound of the aircraft again, but at a slightly higher frequency. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.